Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you are new here, you are welcome. And to all my amazing subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. Do not forget to follow for more videos like this. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make bread from chickpeas. I'm using 2 cups of soaked chickpeas. I soak them overnight. Rinse them under running water and set them aside. In a grinder, I will grind 2 tablespoons of flaxseed and set it aside. The recipe calls for 2 cups of milk or water. If you are lactose intolerant, you can use 2 cups of water. Pour your milk into a blender and add chickpeas and dates. I'm using 8 small dates as my sweetener. Now blend until you get a smooth texture. I'm using a blender for this recipe, but you can also use a hand grinder, it works great. If you are using a blender, please make sure it's a heavy duty blender because chickpeas are heavy and may break your blender. In a separate bowl, crack 3 eggs, add 5 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, plus 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Whisk together until smooth. Now add 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder and vinegar. Whisk again until smooth. Now pour your wet ingredients into your batter and use a spatula to stir until everything is evenly combined. Once everything is combined, I'm using 3 tablespoons of psyllium husk and 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds. Mix together and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Prepare your loaf pan and pour in your butter. Sprinkle any seeds of your choice on top and bake at 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 minutes. The bread is done, guys. It looks amazing and I can't wait to slice it. Spread some almond butter and enjoy. I quit a store-bought bread because I make healthy and delicious bread that is always better than store-bought flour bread full of preservatives and gums. If you try my recipe, I believe you will also quit eating store-bought bread. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.